to Tony the Technician's channel, and today we're going to be going into a new product sent to me by NewAir. Now, you guys might have seen my previous video on their 18-inch shop fan or another product of theirs. Well, today it's going to be a mini fridge, or it's kind of a pretty good sized mini fridge, but that's because a lot of you guys might know that I work on the NAPA funny car team, and we work out of two very large trailers, but we only have a small mini fridge. So NewAir hooked me up, and I'm gonna do an honest review on this, let you guys know what I think of the fridge that they sent me, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are interested in this product after this review, please just check out the description. Also use promo code TONY, T-O-N-Y, and you will get 20% off of this fridge right here. So let me know what you guys think of this product, and let's get into this. Hey YouTubers, so this is the mini fridge that NewAir sent me. If you guys hear any noises in the background kick in, it's just going to be my heater here in the garage, so just so you're aware. But moving on, this mini fridge is 19 inches from front to back, 18.25 wide, and just over 33 inches tall. So go ahead and check out NewAir if you're looking for any appliances for whether the house or the garage or the shop. They have a ton of different stuff. A lot of different size fridges. This is just one of them. Also, you can get this in stainless steel, black stainless steel, or black. It all just depends what you like and the price range that you're looking to stay in. But with my discount, you will get this 20% off. So moving along, $54 a year, that's what the little energy guide says. So roughly, I think that's 27 cents or something a day, I'm not too sure. But moving on, all glass front door, so you guys can see real quick. And then we're gonna move around to the back. I'll show you the information, the model number, all of that, and then we'll get to looking at the inside. So it's the NewAir AB-1200B. And there's the rest of the information. It is a normal plug, so you don't need any fancy plug or anything like that. But just to kind of show you the quality on the outside, a little styrofoam up here on top. It comes packaged very nicely too. No damage or anything that I can see of. So let's move on to the inside. Alrighty, so it's all plugged in and running. Let me know if you guys can hear it on the video. It is extremely quiet. So that's nice. Nobody likes a loud fridge, hearing it kick on and off. So that's one thing they say they pride themselves in, is a quiet appliance. So as you open it up, seals nicely. Oh, what do we got in here? Don't mind if I do. So, moving on through the fridge, as you can see, I still have the styrofoam and everything because I have to transport this to work, so I didn't take everything out of here. Oh, that's nice and cold. So, this holds 126 cans, soda or beer cans. Now, when you add bottles or anything like that, or bigger cans, it's obviously going to vary. But you do have 5 adjustable racks in here. They are metal racks. And then you have your standard little storage area down in the bottom that holds bottles or cans. Now, these, you can see in here, there are many different slots to adjust for different sizes and how you want to set it up. This fridge will get down to 34 degrees. It has a locking door. We'll get to that in a minute. Like I said, 126 cans, depending on how you arrange it. And it does actually have a light, and you can adjust the temperature right up here, all the way from 0 to 7. And then, there you go. Set this out to the side. Don't hit my drink. So it does have a light in it, which is pretty nice. So I think that's a pretty nice fridge. It seems to be of really good quality so far. Only time will tell, especially with this being in a trailer, bouncing down the road. Obviously it's not going to be going too far because we're going to have it strapped down, but I think it's going to hold up just fine. I think it's going to be a lot better than the one that we have. And now let's take a look at this this is the locking plate at the bottom. Here you can see the lock here. Now NewAir's thing, you know, it keeps kids out of the alcohol cabinet and stuff like that. My main thing is we don't want the door flopping open on the way down the road, so that's why I think the lock is important, so we don't have to tape the door shut. But it is actually just a standard Allen key type key, and you just put it in, push, and turn to the right, and it does lock, but you can still open it. Now, I believe to fix that, it's pretty simple. We just gotta go in, and there's 2 screws underneath the fridge that you basically unscrew, and you can move this adjusting plate so the hook doesn't have that play in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust that, but other than that, I think that's the only problem I found with it, was the locking plate being a little loose. They do have handles here on the side so you can grab the door. That's a quick look at it. Let me know what you guys think of it. Alrighty YouTubers, so that is the NewAir Mini Fridge that they sent me, 126 cans. Also varies depending on bottle size, can size, all that good stuff. Also be aware, if you're a wine drinker, it is big enough or deep enough to hold wine bottles as well, so it can be a wine cooler for you. It can be adjusted to the 55 degrees that a lot of the wines taste their best at. A lot of stuff like that. So it's all around a good mini fridge, and only time will tell. Hopefully it holds up. I think it will. It seems to be made of really good quality. So I'll keep you guys updated as we go on trips around the United States, and hopefully it continues to cool our drinks. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead, check out the description for the link to this fridge, as well as promo code TONY, T-O-N-Y, and you'll get your 20% off if you decide to go with this. But overall, just drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.